put all that in the pile. I am putting it right there.
Oh, it's not bad.
I feel like there's some in the hole still. That's rather bad. Let me look. Macy, there's one on this plant right here. Can you get it? He's right here on this plant. Don't worry about it, Macy. I got Put my hair up somehow.
Here's all the potatoes.
Can I borrow this? I'll get back to you. It's hot, Lucy.
Push. Wow, those are good size
Look.
ones.
I stabbed that one. I think there's one right here. Put it in the basket.
Potatoes.
Can y'all pick the potatoes while I pull them up and down? Would that be an okay deal?
And you gently set them down.
Got this hopper. Well, it's not a hopper, it's a luggage rack somebody we got from somebody, and well, I decided we'd use it for a potato basket. Worked out pretty good, I think.
Oh, wow.
It's a luggage kit for the back of a vehicle that we got from somebody. And I just thought about it, so it'd be good with a little sides on it.
It's working good for the potatoes.
So we can wash them off and then we'll worry about it. Get them off the ground, put the plants back here, we're good.
Just finished the red potato row. We planted about 25 pounds in the red potato row. We filled this up and we got probably about 20 pounds or 30 pounds down there.
We'll set that on top of here.
All right.
We'll set that thing on top of here.
Get a lot of potatoes.
Actually, a lot more than I thought we would.
This is the whole red potato row. Now I need to put pumpkins on top. Where would they think we should plant where the potatoes were?
do you think we should plant here where we dug these potatoes at?
I'm thinking pumpkins.
Pumpkins, more potatoes,
What y'all think? What should we plant here now?
watermelon.
See that one dead. A lot of work, Lexi?
Yeah. It's tiring.
It's tiring.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's good. Look at all those potatoes. I did a lot of mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
What's Madison used to call it?
Potato salad.
Tater salad, huh?
Yeah. I
You
can't.
got a
I
heart.
got a sweat V.
Yeah, so got a lot of potatoes.
And this is a luggage carrier for the back of the vehicle. We just filled it up.
So, what do you think, babe? 75?
Oh, probably.
This is about the size of the 25-pound bag.
Yeah, I would think maybe 75 pounds, probably, maybe.
We have to do like a 5-gallon bucket at a time. What's that
Use
usually?
Levi's little fish scale to weigh
Yeah,
them.
it's a lot.
We'll let you know how much we got.
Okay, we'll estimate it.
Some of them are little, but
Yeah.
they're going to be good little canning and stew potatoes.
We'll leave them here for a minute, and I got to go inside and make room for some to can. And then I'm probably going to peel some to use this like a old-fashioned masher. It makes little bitty crumbs, and I'm going to put that in the dehydrator and dehydrate them. Because I don't have a freeze dryer yet. But I'm going to try dehydrating
We'll
them.
do the gold potatoes a little later, after we get these put away.
Yeah, they're taking a little bit
They're
longer.
still okay.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Guys got a haircut today, huh?
Yep, that's pretty much all we could do. They've been raining off and on all day. Pretty good rain, too. We had to get these
Appreciate it.
taters out of the ground before they rotted.
Yeah,
too
they were
much.
getting a little yucky, so it's not bad.
I was hoping we could have had bigger ones, but it's okay. We can use little ones, too.
We were having the problem with it being too hot.
It was too hot, too whatever, so
Maybe if
anyway,
we planted them earlier and they would have done better. I don't know. Thanks
we
for...
had to get them out, though.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Keep the faith. God bless. And be thankful.
See y'all later. Appreciate it. Bye, y'all.